Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So Ibambeni Njalo guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. By the way, Ibambeni Njalo guys, I might be late, but then when I came across this I thought, no man, let me just share it with you guys. Yazi, people have been questioning Ugogo Skhotheni after she went live on Mondli's TikTok account, and then people went on to asking, what is Ugogo Skhotheni okay? Like, people were confused guys, because Ugogo Skhotheni once posted on Facebook ethi uMondli uyamshaya, and then she even showed us where she got hurt after the whole fight with her noMondli, and it was all over social media. Manje, this time around guys, Ugogo Skhotheni, boom, just surprised us. Waba live using Mondli's account. So everyone is asking, is she okay? Some went on to saying, Maweni said it. Maweni is more matured than Ugogo Skhotheni. And at this point, guys, I'm also confused to take what's going on. Are they trying to pull our legs, or what exactly is going on here? And at the same time, guys, it was said that Mondli was live on his TikTok, and it happened that he removed one of the person who was on live with him after the person asked about his relationship with Ugogo Skhotheni. So, like, everything is just confusing right now. We don't understand what exactly is happening. But at some point, we are feeling like these people are just playing mind games with us and making us to believe another thing, yet they are okay. But anyway, guys, do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this, and please guys, to subscribe if you haven't done so.
Mina ngiyohlala ngushange Mina ngiyohlala ngusha. No guys, like manje mina ngiyohlala ngushange ngichaza ukuthi nginabantwana kashange, and like I always have to present abantwana bami in a good space. Like kumele njalo abantwana bami yabo ngibavikele, like bangayi esibayeni sakashange ngingekho. Like why kumele abantwana bami basebenzise ushange mina ngingasiwushange? You understand? Sekungathi manje ngiyabalahla. No guys, ezimbo kodwa kumele ngasenze njalo. So njengoba abantwana bami babushange, kumele ngibe ushange nami ukuze babone ukuthi wherever they go I go. Uyabona? So for the sake of the kids, like
awuvanga lapha ku-live andifuna usijonge i-comment ngoba ndiyazazi nje zona ziyadina nje, but uyatrenda sana.
Nenze ntoni?
Yima ke Monde before ndikutshela ukuthi wenze ntoni, kuthiwani ngawe. Khositshela iqiniso, uvume nje wamshayile uSkhotheni.
olethela
Ngeke uvume, ngeke ngitshele ke bebe kuthiwani ngawe.
Shell.
Huh? Are you in TikTok?
Shell or ngihlala nonke.
No, I have a roommate, but I'm going in another room now.
Oh.
Yeah. So like, I saw Ugogo Skhotheni with live, ne, with your account. Were you with her, or she was just using your account without you knowing?
She was using my account without me knowing. She has my social media as well.
Oh.
But each woman on 37 followers.
Yeah, I'm just new here.